Alright guys, I just got the settings down. Throttle Sports Plus, suspension Sports Plus, and steering wheel also Sports Plus. I don't want to go to M2 because it turns off the traction half, and I want to be safe. So yeah, we're going to a canyon. We're gonna do a little cruise. But yeah guys, super excited. People say they don't like how this sounds, but to be honest, when you're in the car driving, yeah, it sounds awesome. DCT, upshift, downshift, super accurate, super fast, and also sounds good. Especially the ref matching it does, the little blip, it's super fun. So yeah, full tank of E85, Supra M4. We're ready to have a good night. Alright guys, so we're in the M4. The mods it has is downpipe, front mount intakes, KNW coilovers, exhaust, mid pipe. Other than that, oh, it also has the E50 tune, and you guys, this car is super fast. Even at fourth gear, it loses traction. A lot of people say they don't like how this car sounds, but guys, after I've been driving it for a week now, I like it. When you're in the car, the intake, the engine, together, it makes beautiful noises. Especially when you're building boost and you let go of the throttle, it makes this whipping noise, and man, it's addicting. I think the F82, F80 generation is the best looking M3. I really hope you guys can hear all the different sounds. I know the window's open, so I can get some intake and exhaust noise in here. But man, those sounds, it's like I'm cracking a whip. Handling wise, this car is pretty direct. Compared to newer cars, the steering also feels pretty raw, super direct, and with the KNW suspension, it's super accurate. I think the coilover is $4,000 by itself. and it's highly adjustable. Just comes at you. It just sneaks up on you. You're looking at the gauge and it's 60, 80. And it doesn't even feel that fast when you're driving it, but you're going super fast. And guys, this is all coming from a perspective who's never driven a F80 before. I've owned a E90 M3, so to me this feels really fast. As you guys know, my other car is a Z3, which is super slow compared to this, and a 550, which is fast, but this fast is different. Going through the turns, it feels like I'm on rails. Unlike the E90, the seats go down and you feel you're in the car and not on the car. Brakes nice and strong, they bite quick and they bite hard.